vegan, vegetarian reviews here in Mexico, because I think that a lot of you have the access to come here to Mexico because we have open borders, and I've seen a lot of people coming to holidays, business trips, etc. So, just in case you're wondering where can you eat vegan, vegetarian, she's my best friend. Hello, I'm Rosie. So many of you perhaps knew Sushi, which was my previous Chihuahua. So Sushi passed out last year, 2020. That was something really hard for me. So after that happened, I got Rosie as a gift, and she's been my companion so far here in Mexico, because as many of you know, I haven't been back to China. She's very anxious because somebody knocked the door. No. Come. I don't think she will listen to me. My English orders are not perhaps useful. So do you have a pet at home, or you prefer to be petless? I do prefer to have a pet at home, but the issue comes whenever I decide to go back to China. She would be very sad, and I do not want to go back to China for that. You know, the guy is cutting the coconut spread for us. So usually in Mexico we'll eat this with lemon and salt and chili, but I'm not feeling very great from my stomach. I just love coconut water. Back in China, I also used to have like almost every day, but the coconuts there are more expensive and do not have as much water as the ones in here. And this one is sweet, but the kind of different sweet compared to the China ones. Cheers to life. I ordered vegan menudo. It's made out of like some mushrooms, and it has some onion, which I avoid because vegan Buddhist restaurants do not eat onion, so I got used to that. This is oregano. And it's a little bit chilly, so I'm gonna put some lemon on it. Here we have some lemon. What do you think about me doing again these videos? It has some chili on the caldo. Caldo means soup, like this, you know. So it's all made out of mushrooms. Somehow it looks like, you know, similar to some mushy mushroom Chinese dishes, but it's like Mexican taste. We're gonna put some oregano, of course. I'm gonna avoid the onion, but you guys, of course, need to put the onion so you can taste typical. Okay, let's just put a little bit. I'm wearing white, so I have to be very careful with the sauce, the caldo. Very nice. A little bit more lemon. You know, we Mexicans eat lemon all the time, as well as tomato. Just like Chinese soy sauce or oil. You want some? It's nice. As you can see, guys, this place is so beautiful, full of flowers. What do you think of it? And the name of this place is the Carrot, in Spanish, la zanahoria. Just in case you're wondering where can you eat vegan, vegetarian, here's one place, and we can eat some Asian food. Guys, right now I'm eating these edamame, which are kind of maybe fried with some salt and soy sauce. They are very delicious, yummy. Here in an Asian fusion restaurant called Miu Miu in the city of Guadalajara, Mexico. Here is Paula, and this is how the restaurant is looking like. It's not looking like an Asian restaurant, but more like a Mexican, very colorful one. Hi! They're so nice. Okay, so we have ordered this dish, which is a vegan dish full of veggies, as well as I think there's some rosemary and tofu, etc. So those are supposed to be rice noodles. Hey, okay, so we're gonna try this dish. The first time I've tried Singapore style noodles is here in Mexico. They're so slippery. This is the tofu. This sweet and sour flavor. ¿Va? Sabe sweet and sour. It's the first time I try some sweet and sour dish. It's the flavor of Asia. Okay. So we have ordered another dish, which is a ramen made out of like tofu and some, I suppose there are noodles and seaweed. We used to love this seaweed back in China. Ginger, pieces of ginger, mushroom, and soy sprouts, etc. Let's give this a try. I love that they have this spoon just like in, you know, China. How to use this spoon, because I'm not very sure. Is it for the caldo and you just... Caldo is in Spanish?
Para servirte.
Okay, it's to serve, but we don't have a smaller bowl. Anyways, I'm gonna try this. I really love the seaweed. It has a lot of protein. It just tastes like the Chinese soups. This just looks like marucha. And this is soft tofu. The tofu that we have seen in the previous dish, it was like fried tofu. It's a very interesting taste, guys. It just tastes like rice. It tastes very natural, like the Chinese way. Like, I've tried some other similar dishes here in Guadalajara, Mexico, and they taste quite different. So it's very unique and special. Yeah! Let's give this Paula some noodles for her to try. Yo he visto que así lo comen y se lo van comiendo así, ¿verdad? Con dos. I thought that it will be interesting for you to see how is Mexico looking like at this very moment. Cheers to good life! I've just ordered a matcha latte with a little bit of like mint. This was my favorite drink back in China. Although in China you do not have like the coconut milk and the almond milk, at least not when I was there. And here you can choose either the coconut, the almond and the soy. But today I've ordered the soy milk. Which is your favorite Starbucks drink? So how do you like my haircut? Or do you prefer me to wear it long? And by the way, guys, here in Mexico they just opened, or not like recently, but they have this goncha which I really like, and I'm gonna show you some clips about it. Guys, here is the goncha. Many of you perhaps know this. It's like a bubble tea, very popular in China and already opening here in Mexico. Woo, super excited for that. Tell me, do you like this kind of like bubble teas or no? I do like it here because they do have the vegetable milk compared to China, which wasn't available. So yeah, let me know your comments. Okay, so that was delicious, and now let's take a look at the Mexican sky. Ooh, it looks like California almost. So today is Friday and we are about to leave to the plaza, the shopping mall here. It's called Plaza, called Diaries. And this is Rosie here with me. Can you see these super cool glasses which I bought in Shenzhen? They do have this pearl. And these beautiful earrings. Woo! So happy. So I came to buy some juice, a juice. Okay, there's no time. I'm super in a rush to enjoy this Lima juice.
Mira que tengo palitos.
It's nice. Have you ever tried this fruit? I'm sure that not many of you have. Even in Mexico, there's not a lot of it. I wonder what is the name in Chinese. I didn't see this fruit either in China. So yeah, I went to buy fruits. This one is $1 each. It's like a glass full of like mango and watermelon. Delicious. What do you think for the price of $1? What you get? This is for mom. Daily.
Thank you.
And this is for me. Woo! Cheers to the good life here in Mexico. You do not have nothing, Globe. Guys, this is so very delicious. Like, wow. Yes. I'm so happy because it's very, very sweet. Just like the one in China. For $1. It's raining in here and Rosie got a little bit scared. So she's just cuddling there in my neck. Oh, look at her face. So sweet. I love her.
I love you.
So there is like a big line here to make like a COVID test. Wow. So here is what we can find in a supermarket in Mexico. There's a big variety of already packed and ready to eat like greens. I just discovered that here we can buy like shiitake mushroom. Where is it? Shiitake mushroom. Wow, I just bought one to cook it at home and see how it goes. So this is the big area of like produce. Wow. We have here tuna. Do you know tuna? So I just found that we have here the dragon fruit. Here is called pitaya. I'm about to buy one. So this is the first time I found shiitake mushrooms in Mexico and I was very, very eager and excited to try them out after a long time, not in China. Yeah, without eating them. So let's dig into this dish. Okay, it's gonna be her first cake. Okay, wait. A ver, espérate. Bebú.
Bebú.
No, bebú.
¡Qué rico!